Hi, I'm now going to talk to you about a new product we've added onto the tvtrade.ie website, which I have on the bench in front of me here, and it's the new 12 LED headlamp. It's basically a flashlight that's designed to be worn on the head, and the idea of this is it allows you to keep your hands free while working in a dark area. Okay, and it's particularly of interest to, let's say, satellite installers, but also to plumbers, electricians, general DIYers, and because of actually a flashing function on it, also to pedestrians and cyclists at night time. Okay, I'm just going to give a quick overview of the product. It comes packaged like this, which is inside a plastic outer pack. Okay, and I have it in front of me here. One I've prepared earlier, which is just out of its package. So you can see on the front we have a total of 12 LEDs. It comes with 4 different settings on it that you can use. I'll demonstrate in a moment. And on the back of it here we have an adjustable head elastic that allows this to be attached onto your head. So I'm just going to quickly demonstrate how we can just take off the front of this unit, which is like here, okay, that you can just see here, and we can just screw this back on. So that's the LEDs are inside there, and over here is where the batteries are actually kept. So I'm just going to turn this knob here, turn it in an anti-clockwise direction, and just with my fingers here I can pull out this unit, and you can see inside it we have a total of 3 AAA batteries, okay, similar to these, the Panasonic AAAs. And there's only one way for this to be correctly inserted. You just need to insert it with the arrow, push forward, and inside the unit here we have 2 grooves that align with this arrow. So we just line this up and we just simply slide it into position like that, and we come along and we screw the cap back on, which is exactly here. And now to turn on and off this lamp, what we do is there's a button on the side of this particular lamp here. So you can see here, we press the button and there's a total of 4 LEDs showing. We press it again with 8 LEDs, and we press it again with a total of 12 LEDs. Now I'm actually just going to demonstrate fitting this. Press it one more time and see the function here, which is a flashing LED, and this would make it ideal for both pedestrians and cyclists. And press it one more time and it turns off. So I'm just going to demonstrate putting this on my head. So I just slide it back here, clamp it in like this, and you can see here, I'll just show the side profile on it. There's 2 different settings with it. You can have it basically leaning forward, or you can click it down and it holds in position there. So it allows you to work both forward and behind as well, or forward and directly beneath as well. So you know, we've tested this over the last 2 or 3 weeks here in our own installing business, and I have to say I find it very good. The LED lights themselves have a collective lifespan of 100,000 man hours that they'll last, and they're very, very low usage. So you know, one install of batteries for the average user will probably last a couple of weeks, if not months. So from that perspective I find them very, very good. Now, a final part of the video, and hopefully this will go well, is I'm just going to quickly demonstrate the type of light strength we can get with this. So I'm just going to nip around the corner, turn off the lights, and demonstrate the light effectiveness of this. So presuming this is quite a dark surface now. So I'm just going to aim this light downwards, and we can see here with 4 LEDs, it shouldn't, you know, I can work on this work surface here now in front of me. This is with 8, and then with 12 LEDs, this is a relatively bright surface. So, you know, it's not as good as working in full daylight or with proper lights in it, but it certainly leaves you in a position where the average tradesperson can work quite adequately. And the lamp is actually quite comfortable to use in your head. So from that perspective anyway, you can almost work it and not realise it's there. So I actually think this is a great feature and a very, very practical, good lamp. And, you know, it seems to be of reasonable quality. We've used it with no issues, as I said, for over a number of weeks now. Okay, that's it from beginning to end. The 12 LED headlamp from tvtrade.ie.